Your Majesty, this is the hour I have longed for. Let me rescue my father and lead my land to peace.
Send me, Your Majesty. Tila has to regain its strength. Who would understand better how to deal with the villagers?
I know how to trade. I pay a little less and get a little more. I always have some spare food in my pocket. I can give it to hungry settlers nearby.